Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get these easy eyebrows using the brow number 2 kit from Profusion. I love this kit because it's super easy to use and it's very affordable, and it has like all these little tools in there for only like $7, so I feel like it's worth the price. So let's just jump straight into this video. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be using the Profusion Brows to Brow Makeup Case Kit to do my brows, because usually I come on camera with my brows already done, but I've been using the the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel stuff for my brows, and I really like it because it lasts for a long time, but it doesn't really last 24 hours for me because I use a lot of makeup remover products. So I decided I want to try something else that's going to be a little bit quicker and give me more of a natural brow, because I'm really trying to get more into the natural brow look. So I thought maybe this brow kit will give me what I'm looking for, and it was only $7 at Target and on their website, and I love it because look at all the little stuff you get for $7. Okay, Profusion. And then you get the cool case that you can take it everywhere, and I just realized that the little words right here, you can feel them. They're 3D from the case, and I just feel like this is really nice. The quality of the packaging is really nice for $7. Before I jump to this video, please click down below to subscribe. Don't forget, I will be doing giveaway for every 1 new 1,000 subscriber I gain. We're almost to 2,000, so please click like and subscribe. Zara and Zoe's over here, so they're gonna be very distracting, but just go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell when you want to be notified when I post a new video like today. Okay, so my brows are not like trimmed. They kind of jacked up. I'm actually going to get them waxed for the first time in the next like week or so. I need to clean my brows up a little bit, so I'm going to use this kit in that way also. Alright, now you guys can see all the acne scars and pores in my nose and everything. You can see that my brows need some help. In this kit you get a brow pencil. What color is this? So you get a brow pencil. I think I want to call this like medium brown, dark brown. It doesn't have like a color, but it also has a spoolie on the other end, so you get the pencil. Let's see, is it soft? Ooh, this is real soft. Okay, I thought it was gonna be kind of hard because, you know, cheap things with brows and eyeliners, they're always pretty hard, but that's really smooth. You get a pretty cute gold tweezer, and it has a little band on there, but it's super cute and it's so tiny, so you can travel with this. You also get a nice angle brush. This one's really big though, so I'm gonna use it in certain places, but I'm just gonna use my old and faithful after I clean it off. So I'm just going to use my normal thin one because I feel like I can get really nice hair strokes with this one. And this is from It Cosmetics. It's their like small angle brush. I don't think they even make this one anymore, but they do have a different one which is not as small as this one, but they do have another one that's smaller than this one, so we'll try this one out too. And last but least, you get 3 different brow powders and a brow wax. This is it's called Brow Light, Java, and Espresso. That brow light is real light, so that means you must got like no eyebrows for that to work. But you do have a brow wax, so I'm guessing the brow powders change colors when you use the brow wax with it. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and pluck some hairs because I know I got extra hairs. So I'm just gonna take the spoolie on this brush here, which is really nice, by the way. I like how it kind of angles. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. My brows look jank. They're cute, but they're small. Wait, that didn't hurt. Did it pull anything? Oh, that didn't hurt at all. Okay, honestly, these tweezers are way too small for me, but I did get a little bit and it didn't hurt using these, which is, I was surprised because it hurts when I use my tweezers, I'm just gonna use my tweezers to get like the bigger hairs, but these were a little too small to get where I need to get, so we just gonna switch tweezers. Okay, I got them as best as I could. I don't really like plucking too much because it hurts a little bit. I usually use like a razor to kind of clean them up, but I got them as best as I could. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let's see what the instructions say. So you're supposed to prep the sparse hairs areas with brow wax. Use the angle brow brush to fill mid of the end of the brow with espresso. Fill from area mid brow to front with Java. Accent the brow bone using the brow highlight. Brow light. Oh, I was thinking this was for if you had like blonde eyebrows. That's just the highlight for under the brow when you finish. My bad, y'all. My bad. Read the directions. So define the brows further using the brow pencil. The first thing I'm gonna do is define my brows because that's how I do my brows. Ooh, my eyebrows is toe up from the flow up. This pencil is really soft. Like, it's really nice. Like, I could just use the pencil. So now that my brows look crazy and defined, I can see where I need to, I guess, put the powder. Okay, so where I need to put the powder. So I'm gonna try using their pencil maybe for the back area and then use mine for the front. So I'm just gonna take some brow wax, like I say, and lay down them hairs. So now I'm going to take espresso with that same brush and then fill in like the back. Oh, the color is way darker than I thought it was going to be. I'm liking it. So now I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to go into Java and I'm just going to give my hair, kind of fill in the front a little bit. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I don't even think I needed Java. I'm just gonna use the pencil to kind of just define it a little bit more. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows. I'm just gonna use my Measurable Difference concealer palette. It's kind of around the same price as this stuff. So now I'm just going to set the concealer under my brows using the Brow Light shade. Let's see how this works. Okay, not gonna lie, this looks really good compared to when I normally do my brows. Like the powders and the wax just like looks really good. I was surprised, and I hate to be sketchy, but like sometimes when you get inexpensive brow products, they just don't work as nicely as a nice expensive brow pencil or something. So I didn't think that these powders were going to look dark on my skin tone. I didn't think this was going to work. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I actually like this better than my normal routine. I love this freaking pencil. Like I think I'm gonna see if they have the pencil on their site, because I think I would use this on myself every day or use it on other people. But I love this pencil, and I love the kits. I love how my brows look. They look so good. So I'm gonna just finish up the rest of my makeup, but I am digging this. So how do you guys feel about it? Let me know down below what you think about the brow product. It was way faster. It just took a long time because obviously I'm trying to get used to using something new, and I was explaining to you guys, but I think this is way faster than when I use the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel. Brows look a little bit more natural. It's not as like thick and like, you know, like tattooed on. It's more clean, and I like how my brow hairs look. I think I really like this. I think this is probably gonna be part of my makeup routine, and I'm definitely gonna check out more of their eyebrow products. So I hope you guys love this video, and I will leave a link down below for some Profusion products down below, and a link in the description box if you guys want to check them out. And if you guys want me to do a review on their new collection, they just launched like a festival like collection, let me know, because I gotta hit them up and get some new products. So leave comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget I will be doing giveaways for every 1 new 1,000 subscriber, and I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye guys.